Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. After the Barbie movie release, people gone crazy over pink colors. So today let's try making something in pink but very healthy. Let's try making this beetroot pasta. So into some boiling water, add some beetroot pieces, onion and some garlic. Cook it till the beetroot gets cooked and becomes soft. Then drain it out from the water and keep it aside. Into that boiling water, add some more salt and then add some pasta. If you cook pasta in this water, it will turn pink. Now let's grind the beetroot and make it into a fine paste. Our pasta also got cooked. Now let's mix everything together. So into a pan, add some butter. Once the butter gets melted, add the beetroot paste and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Into that, add the cooked pasta. Mix it really well. If you find it a bit dry, you can add some water. I added the pasta water, which has a little bit of starch in it, which will make it creamy. Add some oregano and mix it. Now to make it more pinkish, I added some cream into it, which reduced the deep color of the beetroot and which slightly turned pink, which is our Barbie color. So cream is just optional, but it really enhanced the taste. Sprinkle some oregano and grated cheese and our beetroot pasta is ready. So do try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.